I'm stressed. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. Let me just chap these lips. And let's get this video done. Am I right? Yes, I am. Yeehaw, everybody. It is me, Aliyah, and welcome back to my channel. Yeehaw. There's been this challenge going around. It's called the Bratz Doll Challenge. You guys might have seen it. It's only on every beauty influencer's Instagram. And at first I was like, I'm not gonna do this. I've done it before. It's me, Aliyah. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. So I might look a little bit strange to you. It didn't look good, but I still did it. And then I asked you guys on Instagram, I was like, should I do this? And all of you said yes. Then I see Norvina wants to do it, and James Charles is doing it, and all my favorite people are doing it, and I want to just be on the trends. Here I am. Well, I was like, how do I put a twist on this? Because, you know, that's how you should do it. If you're going to copy everyone else, at least put a twist on it. Humans, I'm not going to do just any old look that you can Google or that everyone is Instagramming. I'm going to become my own customized special edition. I'm going to become my own brand new, special, customized, one-of-a-kind, limited edition Bratz doll, okay? She's a new character. We forgot about Sasha, Yasmin, Jade, and Chloe. They're gone. It's all about me. I'm the new doll. Okay, what we're doing is making a new custom Bratz doll, and if you guys are excited to see it, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you're notified anytime that I post. Okay, my eyebrows are kind of grayish because I was planning to actually do a look that already exists. That was Chloe, so I was gonna make my eyebrows look blonde, but I don't want to be like her. I want to be customized. So my vibe, I'm not going to give a name yet, but my vibe is emo blue. So I'm going to change these brows from blonde gray to black. I'm just going to live out my emo dreams today. You guys probably honestly can't even tell the difference. So I'm going to be going like full Bratz transformation. I'm going to be doing like, well, I'm not doing like that big eye-ish that everyone does, because no, I'm going to make my personalized brat look like a human, but also a doll, and then we're also going to give her a fit and then give her a name. So this is like a full-on makeover. I'm going to be changed. I want to do like a glitter cut crease with blue, or should I just do a cut crease? I'm just going to do like a matte cut crease. Well, no, use my, what the frick is this called? Paint pot and Painterly or whatever. I need a set because I ate a pizza. Greasy food means greasy face. Am I right, kids? Yes, I am.
I'm never wrong.
That's how to be sanitary, just letting you know. Okay, so I'm going to start with, I don't know what it's called, the light blue Playground and James Charles palette. And we're gonna, oh, by the way, I actually dipped into all my brushes. So now I'm using my actual brushes besides just my two Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes. So I hope you're all proud of me. This is actually from my kit from New York that I'm actually supposed to be using for clients, but or since I'm a failure and don't work as a makeup artist in freelance, I don't use it, so I'm using it now. I'm going to use this whatever brush, and I'm going to dip into the darker blue, and I'm just going to deepen the crease with it. And we're going to wing it out. So I feel like it's a characteristic we see quite often in the Brat doll community. I don't even know what I'm talking about. That's probably not even true. I need a sip of my death soda. Love it. Now I'm going to cut my crease, you know, my favorite thing to do ever. I came up with a saying, I think. So whenever we cut our crease, you post it on Instagram, and you know, you'll caption it whatever you want to caption it, but then with the hashtags you'll put Cut Crease Nation. When you cut crease, you're a part of the Cut Crease Nation family, right? I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hand is literally shaking. I'm scared. So I'm liking this. So now I'm going to set it. I really did consider doing the whole big eye Bratz doll thing and like gluing my eyebrows down and shiz. But then I sat down and I really thought about it, and I don't have the tools. And also I'm really on a time crunch because I like to film my videos with daylight, and I also really want to take selfies, which I also like to take in the daylight. So I'm racing against the clock. It's like 3 o'clock. I woke up at 8, and I had to edit another video that I'm still not done editing. And I finished it at like 1, so then at 1 I had to start my makeup, and then Bella threw up and ate it, my cat, so that was weird. I'm a little bit stressed because the sun goes down, I think, a few minutes before 6. I'm going to take the shade Shimmery Blue. And I'm going to fill that in. So I'm going to take this brush right here that I use for concealer. I'm going to spray it with my Fix Plus after I unlock it. I feel like I act like blue is my favorite color, but like I swear pinks and purples are like my all-time favorite. I think next I'm going to put concealer under my eye or in my eye to make my eye look bigger. This is stupid, isn't it? You don't put wet things in your eye. Oh well. Oh, I'm forgetting something that doesn't even have anything to do with this. Like Bratz dolls, they have like a clear line like that shows like the crease of their eye. So I'm going to draw that in with eyeliner. So let's hope it goes well. I'm really scared. I don't have the steadiest of hands. I fricked up. So I'm gonna try this again. Does this look like anything? If anything, it ruined it. Now I'm going to create my lower lash line underneath that. This is not going how I wanted it to, and I'm getting a little bit worried. Now, let me put on eyeliner, and then I'm gonna do my other eye, and then I'll be back. Put my lashes on, both eyes are done. So I was either thinking to do, I saw one of the Bratz dolls like have these like things on it, and so I'm trying to figure out if I wanna do that, or if I just wanna do hearts. Whatever, we'll try it. Trying is good for us. What the flub is wrong with my eyelash? Okay, cute. I'm just gonna do this in hearts because I really don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm gonna draw some hearts. I look different, quirky, cool. What am I gonna do about my highlight? Oh my gosh, I should have put the highlight on first. I'm gonna put highlight on. Oh man. An eternity later. Oh my gosh, thank Jesus. I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna do my lips. That's like the easiest thing. I just have to overline the frick out of them. So I'm gonna use black. And I'm gonna line it with this black pencil from e.l.f. And then I'm gonna actually fill it in with Midnight. It's a matte black lipstick from Anastasia. I would do it bigger if I was doing my eyes larger. But since I'm not, I wanna keep the proportions like proportionate. I hate lipstick, but I love black lipstick. Like actual bullet lipstick, it's the worst, I think. This is the finished look for my Brat doll girl, my custom Bratz. So now I have to give her the custom fit, and then I'll see you guys in a second. So before I show you this fit, I want to give you guys the name of my Bratz doll and her attitude. My Bratz doll, my custom Bratz doll name is Valentina, not from RuPaul's Drag Race. This isn't my future baby name list. I just feel like Valentina is like cool because it sounds like really feminine, but I want to be goth or whatever this is. I don't want to say goth or grunge. Apparently it's a bad thing to say those. Moody or something, I don't know. Moody's Point from the Amanda Show, something like that. She likes blue and black, and she wears this on the daily, and she likes casual, dark clothing. So first of all, I have this choker, got it from dance competition, this necklace underneath it, which is the necklace that I just always wear every day for my sissy. Okay, and then we have this crop top that is gray. It's like a heather gray. Don't know what it's from, probably from Forever 21, but it's forever old, so don't go looking for it. And then sweatpants for my sister, because like I said, Valentina likes cute and casual things that are dark. And then these combats, because Valentina likes combat boots from Target because she's balling on a budget. This is my custom Bratz doll transformation video. I think I failed. I think I look stupid. I mean, I look okay, but like I'm disappointed. Not like maximum disappointed, just like 50% disappointed. So you can interpret that however you want. If you guys are up for this challenge, I definitely recommend you try it. Just don't do it in a rush. I literally decided to do this last night before I went to bed, so clearly I wasn't thinking straight. I'm gonna make sure I edit this and get it up for you guys in time on Friday. I'm sorry this is so stupid. I hope you guys still enjoyed the video and enjoyed watching me struggle, essentially. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button to be notified anytime that I post baby cakes. Alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your love. Thank you for all your support. If you're watching up until this point, comment Valentina, okay? I love you guys, and I will see you next time, okay? Be positive, smile, give someone a hug, shake someone's hand, I don't know, whatever. I love you guys. See you. Look how yellow my teeth look now. Ooh.